Hello everyone, these are the video announcements for the week of September 23. We have a full week of school, the week of September 23. On Wednesday for our late start, we will be talking about students. Our ESS team will be organizing those meetings. The different meeting times for the different groups of students. Sophomores will be meeting the first half, and then freshmen the second half in the Learning Commons. And then in Kendra's room, the business classroom, the seniors will meet in the first half, and then the juniors will meet in the second half. It's basically similar to what we did last year. If you have questions, you can talk to Lindsay, Laura, or Carolyn, or if you see Lynn, you can ask her as well sometime before Wednesday. So that's the main thing we have next week. Just another heads up, during focus period on Friday, we're going to have a short assembly, probably for about half the period. So if you need to work with students or you want a group meeting, you'll have the second half to do that. More details will follow. Attendance data. So I'm tired of talking about it. So hopefully we can get this put to bed. Remember, our goal is kind of 95%, so we can get to 95%. So let me give you the numbers. Last Friday, 91%. Wah, 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 91%. Monday came back strong, 98%. I think that's like the highest ever. That's got to be some type of world record. We need like a round of applause. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. But 98%, that's ridiculous. That's really, really good. So thank you for doing that. Then we came back with a 92 on Tuesday. 94 on Wednesday, which is not bad. Thursday, yesterday, 91%, but let me just say that yesterday was a little bit chaotic, and the fact that we got up to 91% is actually kind of huge. So anyways, I want to thank everybody for just their work on Thursday, putting together lessons. The feedback, the informal feedback that we've gotten from the 8th graders have been very positive. So thank you so much for that. It's hugely important for our school to make sure that our students understand kind of what we're about. So thank you for taking some time and making room for our 8th graders to come visit. It gave us a feel for how our school would feel for like if we had 100 or 450 students. I don't think we'll get that big. I kind of hope we don't, but anyways. So let's see, last thing is a little tech tip. So I'm going to share with you a little tech tip on Gmail on how to get yourself organized real quick. There you go. So how my email is set up is it's set up using tabs versus all of my email coming in under one big list of emails. So if you look here, I have primary, social, promotions, updates, forums. So these are my primary emails that Gmail seems to think are important to me and should be a priority. If it's social, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, that kind of stuff will go automatically be found under social. Anything that it views as possible, promotional materials, and then updates and forums. Typically, when I get a group email, it usually files itself under forums. If I get shared a document, it usually files itself under updates. So to change it so that you have it like that, because I tell you, having it like this makes my email life so much easier, because I don't have to sift through all the social, the ads, all the other stuff that I'm not necessarily interested in, and it can focus on my email. If you go up here to settings, and then go to settings, you can then look at, if you click inbox then will give you categories. And so you can click on any one or more of these categories so that your email is a little more organized, and it is done via Gmail. So that's my tech tip for Gmail. So that's it for this week. Thanks you everybody, and have a great weekend. And if you're doing Oktoberfest, awesome. If you're watching this on Monday, hope you had a great time at Oktoberfest or had a great weekend. Thanks.